Obama and DNC admit all allegations of federal court lawsuit. Obama is not qualified to be president. Obama should immediately withdraw his candidacy for president for immediate release. Lafayette Hill, Pennsylvania, October 21, 2008. Philip J. Berg, Esquire, the attorney who filed suit against Barack H. Obama challenging Senator Obama's lack of qualifications to serve as President of the United States, announced today that Obama and DNC admitted, by way of failure to timely respond to requests for admissions, all of the numerous specific requests in the federal lawsuit. Obama is not qualified to be president, and therefore Obama must immediately withdraw his candidacy for president, and the DNC shall substitute a qualified candidate. The case is Berg v. Obama, number 08CV04083. Berg stated that he filed requests for admissions on September 15, 2008, with a response by way of answer or objection had to be served within 30 days. No response to the requests for admissions was served by way of response or objection. Thus, all of the admissions directed to Obama and the DNC are deemed admitted. Therefore, Obama must immediately withdraw his candidacy for president. Obama admitted: 1. I was born in Kenya. 2. I am a Kenyan natural-born citizen. 3. My foreign birth was registered in the state of Hawaii. 4. My father, Barack Hussein Obama Sr. admitted paternity of me. 5. My mother gave birth to me in Mombasa, Kenya. 6. My mother's maiden name is Stanley Andunum aka Andunum. 7. The COLB certification of live birth posted on the website fightbesmers.com is a forgery. 8. I was adopted by a foreign citizen. 9. I was adopted by Lolo Sedoro, a citizen of Indonesia. 10. I was not born in Hawaii. 11. I was not born at the Queen's Medical Center in Hawaii. 12. I was not born at Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children in Hawaii. 13. I was not born in a hospital in Hawaii. 14. I am a citizen of Indonesia. 15. I never took the oath of allegiance to regain my U.S. citizenship status. 16. I am not a natural-born United States citizen. 17. My date of birth is August 4, 1961. 18. I traveled to Pakistan in 1981 with my Pakistan friends. 19. In 1981, I went to Indonesia, on my way to Pakistan. 20. Pakistan was a no-travel zone in 1981, for American citizens. 21. In 1981, Pakistan was not allowing American citizens to enter their country. 22. I traveled on my Indonesian passport to Pakistan. 23. I renewed my Indonesian passport on my way to Pakistan. 24. My senior campaign staff is aware I am not a natural-born United States citizen. 25. I am proud of my Kenya heritage. 26. My relatives have requested changes to the portion of my birth certificate that identifies my first name. 27. My relatives have requested changes to the portion of my birth certificate that identifies my last name. 28. My relatives have requested changes to the portion of my birth certificate that identifies my place of birth. 29. I requested changes to the portion of my birth certificate that identifies my first name. 30. I requested changes to the portion of my birth certificate that identifies my last name. 31. I requested changes to the portion of my birth certificate that identifies my place of birth. 32. The document identified as my Indonesian school record from Franciscus Assisi School in Jakarta, Indonesia is genuine. 33. I went to a judge in Hawaii to have my name changed. 34. I went to a senator and/or congressman, or other public official in Hawaii to have my name changed. 35. I had a passport issued to me from the government of Indonesia. 36. The United States Constitution does not allow for a person to hold the office of President of the United States unless that person is a natural-born United States citizen. 37. I am ineligible pursuant to the United States Constitution to serve as President and/or Vice President of the United States. 38. I never renounce my citizenship as it relates to my citizenship to the country of Indonesia. 39. I never renounce my citizenship as it relates to my citizenship to the country of Kenya. 40. I am an attorney who specializes in constitutional law. 41. Kenya was a part of the British colonies at the time of my birth. 42. Kenya did not become its own republic until 1963. 43. I am not a naturalized United States citizen. 44. I obtained $200 million in campaign funds by fraudulent means. 45. I cannot produce a vault, original, long version of a birth certificate showing my birth in Hawaii. 46. My vault, original, long version birth certificate shows my birth in Kenya. 47. The only times I was to a hospital in Hawaii was for checkups or medical treatments for illnesses. 48. Queens Medical Center in Honolulu, Hawaii does not have any record of my mother, Stanley Andanum, Obama, giving birth to me. 49. Kapi'olani Medical Center for Women and Children in Honolulu, Hawaii does not have any record of my mother, Stanley Andanum, Obama, giving birth to me. 50. I was born in the Coast Province Hospital in Mombasa, Kenya. 51. I represented on my state bar application in Illinois that I never used any other name other than Barack Hussein Obama. 52. I went by the name Barry Setoro in Indonesia. 53. My Indonesian school records are under the name of Barry Setoro. 54. I took an oath to uphold the United States Constitution when admitted to the State Bar of Illinois to practice law. 55. I took an oath to uphold the United States Constitution when I was sworn into my United States Senate office. 56. I hold dual citizenship with at least one other country, besides the United States of America. DNC admitted. 1. The DNC nominated Barack Hussein Obama as the Democratic nominee for president. 2. The DNC has not vetted Barack Hussein Obama. 3. The DNC did not have a background check performed on Barack Hussein Obama. 4. The DNC did not verify Barack Hussein Obama's eligibility to serve as President of the United States. 5. The DNC admits Barack Hussein Obama was born in Kenya. 6. The DNC admits Barack Hussein Obama is not a natural-born United States citizen. 7. The DNC admits Barack Hussein Obama was not born in Hawaii. 8. The DNC admits they have not inquired into Barack Hussein Obama's citizenship status. 9. The DNC admits they have a duty to properly vet the Democratic nominee for president. 10. The DNC admits Lolo Setoro, M.A., an Indonesian citizen adopted Barack Hussein Obama. 11. The DNC admits the Credentials Committee has been aware of this lawsuit since August 22, 2008, as the lawsuit was faxed to our Washington, D.C. office on August 22, 2008. 12. The DNC admits their Credentials Committee failed to verify and/or inquire into the credentials of Barack Hussein Obama to serve as the President of the United States. 13. The DNC admits their Credential Committee's report failed to address the issues of Barack Hussein Obama's ineligibility to serve as President of the United States. 14. The DNC admits Howard Dean, chairperson, has and had knowledge Barack Hussein Obama was born in Kenya and ineligible to serve as the President of the United States. 15. The DNC admits plaintiff and all Democratic citizens of the United States have been personally injured as a result of not having a qualified Democratic presidential nominee to cast their votes upon. 16. The DNC admits plaintiff and all citizens of the United States have a constitutional right to vote for the President of the United States and to have two qualified candidates of which to choose from. 17. The DNC admits plaintiff and all citizens of the United States have a constitutional right to have a properly vetted Democratic presidential nominee of which to cast their vote. 18. The DNC admits an FBI background check is not performed on the presidential or vice presidential candidates. 19. The DNC admits the United States Constitution does not allow for a person to hold the office of President of the United States unless that person is a natural-born United States citizen. 20. The DNC admits they collected donations on behalf of Barack Hussein Obama for his presidential campaign. 21. The DNC admits plaintiff and Democratic citizens donated money based on false representations that Barack Hussein Obama was qualified to serve as the President of the United States. 22. The DNC admits if Barack Hussein Obama is elected as President and allowed to serve as President of the United States in violation of our Constitution, it will create a constitutional crisis. 23. The DNC admits Barack Hussein Obama took an oath to uphold the United States Constitution. 24. The DNC admits allowing a person who is not a natural-born citizen to serve as President of the United States violates plaintiff's rights to due process of law in violation of the United States Constitution. 25. The DNC admits allowing a person who is not a natural-born citizen to serve as President of the United States violates plaintiff's rights to equal protection of the laws in violation of the United States Constitution. 26. The DNC admits the function of the DNC is to secure a Democratic presidential candidate who will protect Democratic citizens' interests, fight for their equal opportunities, and fight for justice for all Americans. 27. The DNC admits the Democratic National Committee has been promoting Barack Hussein Obama as presidential election knowing he wasn't eligible to serve as President of the United States. Our website obamacrhymes.com now has 50.7+ million hits. We are urging all to spread the word of our website and forward to your local newspapers, radio, and TV stations. Berg again stressed his position regarding the urgency of this case, as we the people are heading to a constitutional crisis if this case is not resolved forthwith.